Why uninstalling apps can help your device.
Removing unnecessary apps frees up storage, reduces clutter, and can even speed up your device. By keeping only what you use, you improve your digital organization and make your phone or computer easier to navigate. Regularly reviewing and deleting apps is a simple way to maintain both performance and peace of mind.
Which apps should you consider removing?
Unused or rarely used apps are top candidates for removal. These apps take up valuable space and may run background processes that drain your battery or slow performance. If you haven't opened an app in months, it's likely not needed, and deleting it can help streamline your digital life.
What types of apps cause clutter?
Duplicate apps, old games, and outdated tools are common sources of clutter. Also, consider removing old photo editing apps, expired event apps, and any software you downloaded for a single use. App categories like shopping, travel, or promotions are often kept long after their usefulness ends.
Are pre-installed apps safe to remove?
The pre-installed or bloatware apps can be uninstalled safely, but others are necessary for system stability. It's best to research any default app before removing it. If you can't uninstall, consider disabling or hiding these apps to reduce clutter on your home screen.
How to maintain organization after uninstalling.
Regularly review your app list to keep your device organized. Use folders to group important apps and update or uninstall tools you no longer need. Keeping your device tidy is an ongoing process that helps ensure better performance and a smoother user experience over time.